Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina. You're watching the latest financial news on Insta TV. Only France can gladden traders with a steady slump. Market Economics said today that the Purchasing Managers' Index for the manufacturing sector of the second largest economy in the euro area was better than expected in September. The index rose from 46.9 to 48.8 points, still standing below the level of 50 points, separating reduction from growth. The services sector crossed below this mark. However, traders did not seem to be worried by this. Rising forecasts on the French manufacturing PMI resumed demand for the European currency. Germany's report helped to increase the euro purchases. The German services and composite PMIs also exceeded expectations of most analysts. The indices rose to 55.4 and 54 points respectively. But for how long will the euro be able to drum up traders' interest?
Пара евро-доллар корректируется вверх на фоне неоднозначных данных.
The euro-dollar pair is retreating upwards on the mixed data released today in Germany and the euro area. The pair is likely to test the level of 1.29, and maybe it will go up to next peak of the last week at 1.292530. But in our opinion, in spite of this upward correction, the pair will still be under pressure due to expectation of continuing discrepancy of the interest rate differential between the euro area and the United States. Therefore, we believe that these levels are perfect targets for sales of the pair with local goals at 1.28 and 1.2750-55.
С локальными целями 1.28 и 1.2750-55.
After yesterday's speech of Mario Draghi, optimism over the European economy continues vanishing. The ECB's head said downward risks for the Eurozone's economy are still on the agenda. The economy is losing momentum at a fast pace. It is clearly seen in employment reports and the TLTRO program, which fell short of estimates. Results of the first auction to provide loans to banks to finance the private sector disappointed the regulator. Instead of the expected 130 billion euros of loans, only 82.6 billion were granted. Of course, such a mismatch once again indicates the economy of the currency bloc is weak. Banks are cautious, pricing real demand for loans. And this was the latest financial news provided to you by InstaForexs. Thank you and goodbye.